7 emotions that compel men to commit to a woman. Many women struggle to attract the person they want, and in most situations, they believe something is wrong with them, although it is far from the truth. So, what really makes a man fall in love with and commit to a woman? Today we will discuss 7 feelings that cause a guy to commit. Women frequently wonder what it is that makes a man desire to commit to a woman. You must comprehend his emotional worlds. Men, like women, have emotions, and their emotions will be the deciding element in whether or not they commit to a woman forever. So these are the 7 emotions that will essentially force a man to commit or not commit. 1. Joyful jitters. When a man gets all giddy around a certain woman, it's like magic. It's called joyful jitters, and it's like a never-ending laughing party. Love is all around him, and his heart is dancing a happy dance with joyful jitters. He's overjoyed and can't wait for more good things to happen. When he feels this way, it's like he's on a wild roller coaster full of wonderful feelings that make him really happy. When he feels this way, the lady must be highly important to him since she brings so much joy to his heart. These ladies understand how to create a circumstance in which their partner realizes he is happy in their presence. They will elicit profound feelings that stay hidden inside them, and if they leave, the guy will miss that feeling. It's commitment bingo when this occurs. You have to engage in things that both of you love, and you must have fun with him. These are the circumstances that will make him happy and secure. And if you leave, these are the circumstances that will remind him how happy he was in your presence. In one word, he would want to commit. 2. Peaceful disposition. Men adore and highly cherish their peace of mind. As a result, they'll avoid any woman who nags and complains frequently. They'd rather have a woman who wants to preserve the peace than one who insists on fighting at every opportunity. Men want to fight and argue quietly. If there is a misunderstanding, they need a partner who can politely present their point of view, while also considering his and willing to achieve a compromise for the greater good. The peaceful nature of a woman, as well as her readiness to overcome disputes swiftly and move on, is what makes a guy commit. After confronting the world face to face during the day, the last thing a man wants to come home to is another battle zone in his own home or in the arms of his significant other. If you can provide that peace of mind for your partner, you'll have him booked. 3. Chemistry. Even if men screen women using logic and common sense, chemistry still has a role. The so-called fictional spark of electricity has a place in reality as well. It indicates the presence of intense physical attraction between two people. If it isn't there, you should reconsider your sentiments and determine whether you simply admire that person, because physical attraction is vital for two individuals who want to start a relationship. It is also what makes a guy fall in love with a lady and want to commit to her. Most men would seriously consider their physical attraction to a lady, among other factors. It is just as vital to them and cannot be placed to the bottom of the priority list. It should be noted that physical attractiveness does not always imply overall physical appeal. The fact that most people think a woman is gorgeous and appealing does not indicate that every guy is physically attracted to her. Different strokes for different people, as they say. 4. Compassion. Compassion is the 4th emotion that makes a guy desire to commit. If you show compassion for him, he will be more likely to commit to you. By compassion, I mean that you can put yourself in his shoes. Imagine what his life would be like and love him from that perspective, rather than simply thinking, "Oh wow, he is dreamy." Instead, you think and utter, "Wow, it must be quite difficult for you to get out of bed, to do whatever you do every day. I like how devoted you are to the organization and your work or whatever." That is what I mean when I say compassion. So feeling compassion for him will show him that you support him in what he's doing, that you've got his back, and that you're on the same team as him. And this is alarming for men who wish to commit to a lady. 5. Love and caring. Is she worried about my well-being? Does she give a damn about me? How much does she care? What would her response be if anything like this happened to me? These are the thoughts that go through a man's head when he wonders if a woman loves him. The fact that a woman cares for a guy and vice versa is what makes the connection flexible rather than rigid from ticking off all the other traits and standards. It makes a significant difference if a woman is efficient, clever, amusing, and physically appealing, but does not properly care for the man. It also makes a big difference if she's polite to everyone else, as well as she is to him. There is no distinction here between her caring for others and her care for him. A guy wants to know that a woman cares for him because he is valuable to her, not merely because she is naturally kind and pleasant. When a caring woman embraces or gently touches him, he feels like he's wrapped in a nice lovey-dovey blanket that makes him feel really fantastic about himself. This is what makes a man want to commit to a woman. 6. Strength. Life is full of ups and downs, and even the most stable of men can have a rough patch from time to time. Trying times can involve sickness, particularly terminal disease, fraud and setup, emotional breakdowns, and other factors. The idea of being with someone is not only to enjoy the good times, but also to have their back when things get tough. In reality, difficult times are also testing times. It will put to the test your devotion to your partner and the connection you share, as well as your willingness to make sacrifices for his sake. No guy in his right mind would dislike a woman who stood with him through difficult circumstances. It is what causes a guy to fall in love with a woman and commit. Any rational man would want a woman who would be there for him when things were tough. 7. Having the same values. Beliefs and value systems are more important in a relationship than most people realize, because men like engaging their wives in deep talks about anything and everything. Having extremely diverse belief systems would cause too much conflict. To form a relationship, the partners should be on the same or nearly the same path in terms of desires, objectives, and ambitions. If this is not the case, it might place a significant pressure on their union. Dreams and goals are frequently the result of beliefs and value systems. Therefore, aligning with someone who does not share comparable value systems is dangerous. It is, simply put, a recipe for disaster. This is why, in addition to physical attraction and other factors, a man looks at similarities in values. A woman becomes more appealing to a guy when he realizes that they have similar ideas, and this is what makes a man want to commit to her. Well, there you have it, 7 emotions that compel men to commit to a woman. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.